guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite new Indian curly hair care brands, which is Curlvana. Their products are made with ingredients which curls love. Fermented rice extract, plant protein, shea butter, Jamaican black castor, pentavitin and hyaluronic acid. You name it, they have it. All their products are CG friendly, ethically sourced, cruelty free and vegan. Their products are made with ingredients which are much loved by curly hair. Let's talk about what makes Curlvana unique. They are the only range in India for curly hair which is completely glycerin free. Curlvana has replaced this humectant with other ingredients which provide necessary sustained hydration to your curls. So let's talk about why glycerin free is better for your curls. Glycerin tends to behave differently in different conditions of humidity. It can overabsorb moisture and disrupt curl patterns, causing frizz, which is like every curly girl's nightmare, isn't it? Curlvana uses no glycerin and provides sustained hydration and moisture delivery with a combination of curl-loving ingredients. Curlvana's long-lasting curl care makes day 2 and day 3 just as glorious for your curls as your wash day. It's time to move to India's first all-weather zero frizz curly hair range. So without any further ado, let's get right into the application. This is what my hair looked like before. I'm going to go in with the Curlvana Fortifying Curl Cleanse and I'm going to apply it all over my scalp and cleanse it really well. I absolutely love how gentle the shampoo is. Next, I'm going to go in with the Curlvana Curl Shine Gentle Conditioner. I apply this from the mid-lengths to the ends of my hair. It has an amazing texture and it is so smooth. It glides on very easily onto my hair and helps me detangle them. I leave it on for a bit and then I rinse it off. Once a week, I use the Curlvana Deep Nourish Double Cream Hair Mask. This is more hydrating than the conditioner. I apply this the same way and I leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it off. For styling, I apply the Curlvana Moisture Lock Leave-In Cream. I take a generous amount and I apply it to my damp hair by scrunching it in. I love that these products are free of nasties, artificial fragrances and added colors. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the Curlvana Curl Defining Styling Gel. Crunch it in. This is what my hair looked like before and this is what it looks like now. These products are free of sulfates, silicones, parabens and petroleum oils and they're also dermatologically tested. The first product I want to talk about is Curlvana's Fortifying Curl Cleanse Frequent Wash Mild Shampoo. This is a gentle hair cleanser that removes grime, sebum and build-up from your scalp without stripping the strands of their natural moisture. It nourishes the hair while encouraging curl definition and shine without weighing it down. It's enriched with proteins and also fortifies and revitalizes your curls. It's also suitable for frequent washes as it's formulated with mild surfactants. I love that it's a non-drying cleanser which doesn't strip away the natural oils. It also doesn't weigh down my curls and my hair feels amazing after using this. It's protein-rich with fortifying actives and it's also color safe and prevents breakage. The next two products I want to talk about are the conditioner and the hair mask. Now I use the conditioner on most hair wash days, but once a week I use the hair mask to give my hair that extra nourishment that it needs. This is the Curlvana Curl Shine Gentle Conditioner. This provides nourishment to all curl types. It's suitable for curly, wavy, coily, thin, thick. It doesn't matter what kind of curls you have, this conditioner is going to work very well for you. It's formulated to detangle, define and hydrate curly locks without weighing them down. This intensely moisturizing curl conditioner uniformly quenches every strand. I love that when I apply this, my curls don't feel weighed down at all. It's perfect for regular use, especially in the humid weather where you might want to wash your curls more often than needed. This conditioner makes my curls look hydrated, smooth, voluminous and bouncy by revealing their natural shine. This conditioner enhances shine, nourishes and softens the strands. It's moisture rich and lightweight and I feel like you will also love that as much as me. Next, let's talk about the Curlvana Deep Nourish Double Cream Hair Mask. This hair mask is formulated specifically for ultra dry and dull hair. It is a decadent and buttery hair mask that intensely moisturizes your curls. This hair mask is going to make your curls smooth, bouncy and perfectly defined. I use this hair mask once a week instead of conditioner to give my hair the extra hydration that it needs. It deeply nourishes the curls to make it perfectly shiny and frizz-free. This hair mask restores your curl structure while providing your curls with ample nourishment. It makes your curls super juicy and healthy and bouncy. Next, let's talk about the styling products. These two are my favorites from the range and I absolutely love how they hold my curls for days. This is the Curlvana Moisture Lock Curl Styling Leave-In Cream. This leave-in cream is perfect to add shine and definition to dry, unruly curls. It adds bounce while smoothing every strand. It doesn't cause build-up, eases the frizz, and enhances your hair's natural shine. It also has this extremely smooth and whipped texture which makes my hair feel super bouncy. This leave-in cream helps my hair stay less frizzy and it also enhances the natural shine in my curls. It doesn't have any crunchy cast or residue, which I absolutely love, and it deeply moisturizes my hair. The last product I wanted to talk about is the Curlvana Curl Defining Styling Gel. This lightweight gel coats the hair evenly to provide flexible hold. It deeply conditions the curls as well without causing any buildup. It amplifies the curl patterns for ultimate definition. It also helps improve manageability of the curls. I love that this gel doesn't weigh down my curls. It makes my curls silky smooth and doesn't leave any buildup. This gel provides really good hold for my curls. It makes my curls last for days and I absolutely love that. I've been getting so many compliments about my hair ever since I started using this range. So overall, I absolutely love this range. They have some amazing products that are so good for your curls. I also have a code with them. You can use my code SANIKA20 to get 20% off your purchase on their website. They also have this amazing offer right now where you can get your first product free. So you can select any one product from their range and they have a coupon code. I'm going to display it on the screen and you can get one free product. Curlvana is made with a combination of beautiful ingredients and I highly recommend you guys to try out this brand. I'm going to display the products and prices for you guys to check out. I'm also going to leave the links in the description box. Don't forget to check out the offers on their website. I hope this review and demo helped you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. I love you all so much. Thanks again for hanging out with me and I will see you guys in the next one.